Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you how to wind onto a Niddy Noddy. So first, I like to take the end of it and kind of hold it to the middle centerpiece, just so it doesn't pull off. And then you can just pick one arm to start going around. And then go around in kind of a circuit, up and down each arm. As you go, you can kind of push it further towards the center and try to wind each one on next to the last one. And I actually started going the wrong way at some point here. So sometimes that happens, I'll lose my direction, but you can see the previous paths. So just kind of follow those. You can kind of twist the Niddy Noddy to meet your arm wherever it needs to go. And that's it.